Yes, good morning, guys. Are we all doing? Hope we are fine. Just a short one, okay? Just a message to the two sisters quarreling. Let me break it down. Let peace reign, okay? Two of una make peace reign. You don't say una dey quarrel, una still forget, una rest. I don't want to drop them because I see get where I want to go later now. I just quit talking for 5 or 10 minutes things. I know I may pass like that. Let peace reign, no two of you now. You know, this one they look, he says, say, not too much pass. The other one they look, he says, say, not too much pass. I don't want just, you know, use all those words for any of you now. But make peace reign. Two of you now, I'm going to beg each other. When I use that word, this one will say, no, na me go beg her. That one will say, na me go beg her. But the other one don't beg. This small one, for instance, don't beg, say, me they forget everything. Although not say she just beg the senior one. Say, okay, because I bring you come out for social media and I make her they beg you. Say, no. You know, they sorry for that one. Say, she still stand by her way. Say, you know, good, say, she know they take care of her children. To be precise, if there's a minute, look the matter where we two of are wrong. But mona beg each other, mona you forget. Blood is thicker than water, like you said. That is true. Nobody no phone and nobody will finish for. Everybody get for him body. Things don't happen. Many things they happen for this life. And we can myself, Mike, and say, no mommy do bore all my thing. We don't see what the brothers go do us or what the sister go do us. Almost everybody, they watched one video yesterday. She considered talking about her own story. What happened to her. I say, watch one video this morning. One mama, no one call her name. She still talk to what the person, blood still doing. As a teacher, we load come up for us, all those things. At the end of the day, they can push her to her destiny. She can go there every day. She be not they work, they learn work. But at the end of the day, she can go they learn work because they push her. Sometimes the person push you, he can't push you to your favor. He can't push you. Better thing will they happen for you, for your life. You already say now where you fed day. And that better thing will come meet you. But or I push you when they don't push you, you can say, I wish this person not even push myself. Things will not be okay for me like this. Life will not change like this. So I don't want to make it short, I don't want to make it long. Because I get where I want to go. But I also want to quickly shoot my mouth for the matter small. What I want to talk now, peace, reign, I forgive each other. I not forget and forgive each other, be blood, it don't mean anything. This one join this one group, that one join group. Now for a pocket, according to one mama, where I watched this morning, now a pocket. If you don't see over am or you don't tire, not be person go tell and say make it come out. Not be person go tell and say make it remove itself from any group. You understand? And not true. She mentioned one word just now. He said not be she they enslave her. Now she they enslave herself. And not true if you look the matter where. Now you want to say make them they use you, now make you go meet them, then they use you. If you don't want make them use you, you go see come out, you go they free. Come on for the bondage, you see they free, because nobody carry you come Europe. You know they owe anybody Igbese. For that reason, if you know they owe person Igbese, me I not for me or me I not believe. If I know they owe you Igbese, I not believe so you feel enslaved me. Even if I say they owe you Igbese, I go see no, I want to do and feast my life. I go give you your money, your Igbese. I'll give you your money. I'll make sure that I give you so that even at your boy back when a boy baby. Even if I don't stay with you, or even if I stay with you, but I will give you. But you don't feel to use that one to encamp into they enslave me. Metigba. You get why? So now that one I put in body, made the enslave her. So I go advise the other small sister, make it cool down. If you don't over that one don't say tired, don't say see me here, you're near own or be bagger, or the person will tell us say make it wrong. Of the other one wrong, come on that day. Or you can say they live in bondage before, say she don't come on, she don't free from the bondage. Say she not fit continue again to live in bondage again. We hear the story every day, social media. So if you don't sit tired down, you go come out. So we're not you in Nigeria or Egboku. Enyangurion. Egboku ora over in Egbawo and over to Boele. So me are not there for all those one. Or that day group, we not the group, we not for a pocket, not concern me. As me be so I might be I won't but make a mommy. I'll day group. They never born anybody when me go they call mama or mommy will go day group. You understand? So because of that reason, it's not possible say I'll call they enslave myself with one person or the other. So let peace reign, the two sisters. Don't tell me that the quarrel, blood is thicker than water. Let peace reign. May God forbid, but one thing happen to one now. Una must the other one must still cry. He must still think and say, hey, this thing, no, now my sister before. No matter how, blood is really thicker than water. You should just try to make peace and forget. Let peace reign. You understand? No house where quarrel no day. Everybody, every family don't get one quarrel, the other with his brother, with his sister, with his nobody where quarrel no day. Me, I quarrel with my own person because of person do videos that even comment. I quarrel with my own person because of say maybe I give them money to do something for me. I know the story. There are many people like that. They'll give their person money, uncle, brother, sister, this one, you know, user or mama, papa. My uncle be my uncle. When me give, you know, user. He didn't pay me to the cost say I can't even say no, I don't talk to them again. I can't classify all of them, all the family together. Say I don't want me they talk to me again. I don't want talk to them again. Me they boof me for years. But later I can see find a way to still forgive and forget. I feel forgive, but I don't feel still forget the matter. You understand? You go see them my memory forever. Say, oh, forgive so person money, me do something for me for back home. You know, can't do it. So that to do the thing, you don't take carry issue they come Europe. So now long story. At the end of the day, on call down, not reach to even verse keep person safe. But we still there. You understand? Today now the person don't late. You understand? That one pass. When I make peace, let peace reign. That one just want to drop my message for not be for anything. Let peace reign. It's okay. When I be blood, it's a mother, it's a father. It's a make us now for come out. Let peace reign. If everybody say make it think and they remember waiting, your brother doing, his sister doing, your mama doing, papa doing, not be lie. If everybody can talk your own story for social media, nobody go there. Many people don't go to talk to their. They know they play with their family. They don't get family again. W. They fiagbon. They don't get brother again. W. They fiagbon. They don't get sister again. W. They fiagbon. They don't get mama, get papa again. W. They fiagbon. As in, they fiagbon me often, like we not get anybody. But because of, out of that, again, that blood is thicker than water. Person will see this thing that you're okay. This thing pay me shy if not be one if now friend do me this thing, I for doing something. Or maybe that my friend for not their life again. Or I for do this and do that one. But because I say now blood will be now mama, now my papa, now my brother, now my sister, now my uncle, now my auntie. May I just come down, may I say forgive. You understand? That is just the truth. So everybody, but everybody don't pass through before. Everybody don't pass through this situation before. So people should just forget it and make peace. So that is my message. You understand? But again, small advice again for the other one. I beg, fine. The other small one make mistake to put it for social media. But at the same time, she was still trying to arrange you. She make mistake, yes. She not the 100% right to put it for social media to talk to you. You know, there's a other way she for do her. But she said she don't try her best. No, that way, that was the only way. Whether you go here, you're not greasy here. You understand? That's why I know say she make mistakes small, not be well. She make mistakes small to bring you come out for social media. But you too, you make mistake pass. For me, if I want judge, now you make the more mistake pass. You get why? Why? Because why you come Europe now? Not because say maybe your children, your family. If not, you remain Africa now. You're dead there. Person come out for Africa because say no, I want better my life. I want me to get money. I want me to take care of my children. I want me to take care of my family. I want me to get house, get this one. So for that reason, you reach the Europe, God can still help you. First thing that's supposed to be your priorities. First thing is supposed to be your problem, and that your children. Yes, they don't say me you're not married. They don't say me you're not born. Born if you like, you want born 100. Now your pocket, not maybe they take care of them. Now you they do them by yourself. So now means they take care of my own. If you want, we born 100, we born 1,000, now you know. But don't forget those who are in Nigeria. Don't forget those who you feel born. Don't forget them no matter what. Imagine the way they breathe, they come out, the way they sleep, where they live. They tell us, say, they get papa. They get, Of course, they get papa, but their papa could not be any, I mean, he was not capable enough. He was not doing it the way he's supposed to do it. Look at him. I mean, look at the children without being told. We see and say everybody will call they cry for the pikin. Most people, they donate. Most of us even donate small thing. It say constantly bring kata constantly bring problem. Your own blood, flesh and blood. When they come out for inside your body, inside your mucus. You call it, they bring them come out for social media, they show them. You know, if you give them standard life, try, even if that's the last couple, whether they give you for this, and Jeremy missed it day, till they take care of them, make sure they come out for that place, that body has. If you never carry them, come Europe. Or you try, find solution to carry them, come. If you carry them, come, one touch, they'll give them paper, now blood test with maths. My daughter not there. I don't talk short story before. My first daughter not there with me for a year for this Jeremy why I did. I can't go bring her come. Why I bring her come? They tell me say, okay, why you not bring her come with the one where you take enter? Because say now why I take enter Jeremy. If I come born join that one. Me can say no, I don't rest here. I bring that one. I can go bring her come. Why I bring her come? They say no, this one don't big go. That time she did, I think 13 years. She just big. She even did my height, almost my height. I said, this one don't big go. Based on saying, a small one I break or why they can't Jamie. The one I bring why they can't Jamie. They too, a bit 3 years that time. I say, born this picky of 13 years or those kind of things. I said, my picky. And me no yours know how I'll say put out at the beginning where I call the Deutschland. People don't say tell me, say I'm supposed to write the name. So there was a mistake somehow. But then, the mistake already occurred. I don't fake myself. I don't fake anybody. See, and I don't call, I don't bring her. One no ask me, I take bring her. See, and my picking, only that one I know. They say, okay, they don't hear. But they don't believe me, say that my picking. What do you want to do now? They say, I only test. Then I go feel proof. And I say, okay, I'm ready. The carriers go do the test. In only 5 minutes, 10 minutes, test come out. Say, I'm born. And I just test from your mouth. Not people say they'll take your blood. Now, no. All those are far or on stress. With your mouth, your saliva. Put something for your mouth, for your saliva. Get be like that's why they do coronavirus now. Where we double tap for nose. Check out 1 second, I'll be 5 seconds. Put them again, the thing go show red or it go show this a positive, it show red again like that. Don't you sugar for your mind, be like cutting wood, or sugar for your mouth. See, take another one, sugar for the other person mouth. Test them. Once they all know, say, okay, this scenario, get with it, they'll see yours, they'll put them like computer. You go show them, say, okay, yes, they're imborner or not be imborner. Finish. For that, you're sure to get a paper now for this country now, it's very, very easy. Since you don't already get. Now, little your break the con, finish. Okay, even if you never see get the money to take break the con, because they be 5, I know it's not easy. Give them a better life, my sister, now advice. Now, come do live video, they cost me, because if you still do one, now yourself, they cost. Now, advice, me too, I get children. You understand me? Pity for them, at least. If you know what pity for them, pity for God Almighty to wait that children. And do more na rioja. Urewe bone my sister. See, they try to give them better life. I beg. I don't watch many videos. Some people who don't give you insult because of your children. If your own blood person, your own blood, if bring you come out because of your children, meaning say they pay now. All that we are we say zero be way ni. And you know we la we je we be like we born we to boy we swan away. To boy be agba o ki we. Not be batting, not be crime. I get like we na get you pa we ya ge. Not be crime. We ma agba o get money we ya. And now we be way ni we to boy gba o get ni mo la we boni. You ma no e won do, you ma no e biele. O ware ya won do ya biele on your first not take care of your we. Who can take care of your money no rowa. But on my way be no be won do on your problem anybody. For me, if that is that problem, that's not my problem. I'm not there against you for that one of your life. But we are not there happy with you, my sister. You be a woman like me. Take care of that one within Nigeria, not me. You say their papa not fit take care of them. That their papa supposed to take care of them, not be you know. For God's sake, it's sure for their body say their papa not fit take care of them. So you know if you live the life, the way you are here, you only take care of them. One month if you are there, but try to still do that. We say advice. You say do one. Even if in 5 years time, do one. Make sure you get that money. Take carry the con. Once you carry the con with visa, paper they want give them very easy because you get paper already. You get paper already. It's very, very easy. I wish this message could reach your hand. It's very easy because me go bring one of my own con to like that. Why I bring her come? They give her paper under 1 month, a bit 2 months. And I say, prepare the paper, give her. Not be even 2 months safe. Or that 2 weeks, they give her this thing. Because they all test and say, nah, me born now. That very day, go carry picture, go do everything. You know? This the person will not get anything. The visa will get even expire already. A long story. But at the end of the day, now so the matter can be. To God be the glory. We pray that they not even ask me, say, okay, what is she going to do this country now? I say bring down those kind blah blah blah. Now they bring, I think they bring Peking, I they bring Persicona or Peking. Especially if now your blood now. You know, you go do visa for her, you go come. Or find person who want help you carry and come. Since not be saying you want you to do business and your Peking and your blood. You understand?
Uncle,
yes, I want to end my live stream right now. Thank you, my people, my sister that is watching. God bless you. Please help me to see share today. I'm just trying to just advise here. Make them make peace. I'm coming. Okay. Okay, go to the toilet. I'm coming. You understand? Make them make peace. And yes, that is just why I'm here. For peace to reign within them. And for us to see advice the why you blood is thicker than water. That is true. Make peace. Try to face your children. Take care of them, my sister. Take care of them. Now, Jeremy, you still did, so that means still did. They still give person small thing. Gather around, at least. For example, they give you €100. You know, if they keep 20 euro for inside, you use 80 euro for yourself and your children for a year. Keep 20 euro, 30 euro for inside. Before you do it for many months, you will feel carry the come, or you feel they give them better life. You will still show and say for your video. They do video, say, see, you must how they take up my children. See and now see proof. I don't put them for better school. See where they stay now. See where I rent for them. You know me say you must first build and put there. If you see rent better standard flats. If you don't know where you will for rent, me I get connection too. You understand? Better standard flat, you go find anyhow. You they pay. Sometimes 100,000 a month, 120. Depend. Sometimes 200,000 a year. Sorry, a year. 200,000 a year. 120 a year, a day. May I get the contact? If you need that, you let me still know. Sometimes I see cheap 100,000 a year. How much be 100,000 a year? 150 euro, be 170. You not even reach 200 euro for a year. 12 months. Sister. Hey, I greet you. So I beg my sister, try me take off those kids. They are really your priority. They are really your number one thing in life. Before anything. Forget people with the curse. We don't shout. We don't disgrace you. This go. You forget that one. Take care of them and show them. Say, see, they don't go better school now. See their clothes now. See where they stay now. Yes, everybody will see they pray for you. They congratulate you. Then don't stop there. Try. Even if that 5 years time, got that money. Bring their con. If you bring their con, their document is very easy. You know, use money to do document for them. Shishi, you know, to do document for them. Let me tell you. I tell you my own experience. My own picky, let me say, go bring. Come. She did 13 when I bring her come 13 years. You want to join with me for her? They 2 years plus. That I get my leg. Why not get 2 times? They say, why you not bring her follow body? I say, no, I don't know. I don't know where they far. I don't feel go bring her follow body. Me already did Europe. I did this thing before I could enter Jamie. You understand? But this one, I go bring her come. So, they give her paper, one touch. I don't use money to do one. Because you don't meet the mama don't get. So the country we do is so a very easy thing as in for paper if the mama don't get, it's very easy for the children. You will give your children the rest, that 5 immediately. Now need to carry the car finish. I beg sister, my sister, try. Try ya we wear muyare. Muyare, but I'm telling you, muyare ako kigo no ya muyare. But agba oki yan la ho. Ya ugba oki ya sono. Ma dege ya social media. Emma, also no visual to your blood, flesh and blood. No knock here with social media. Tell me we very honey. But even nigga had da ga agbe. Oga agbe we work now na ku mi. Yo zero ke do ado ke vision na be la we bode say they say if ye. Di me no me be we. O be dame. You take off in the bucket do ade. Okay, oni no vision be la we bode ni awo mo bia yu o biele ovi. O ma gba oge no ro wa o biele ovi. Di yon we ye bi ovi ye ka gba oge no ro wa ne. Normally you take eke, but you didn't do it like that. Una ya mare u bie. Only for me, only a problem, but they don't ya complain. Me mother against where one you're gonna be or no marry. Now your life, now your choice. Of course, you are a human being. You should choose what you want. But where we are against you, everybody, take care of those who are in Nigeria. Now forget say Papa never die. Papa not dead there. After your boy were here. If Papa look cannot take care of the 5 children, can't you see? We saw it. Mami or woman met see. Can you live your year gaga? It's not a fire, Bob here. But a moment see, unless you support her, normally you walk como. Now man and woman they take care of children, not be only Papa or not be only Mama. So don't remove yourself. They put the mouth for front, saying I born and I go take care of them. No, my sister. You are very, very wrong. I put it to you. Don't remove yourself. Put yourself, include yourself. Are you born there? Now, Mama, Papa, they take care of Piki. Both Nigeria and Europe. You know, you see Nigeria. Obiani wina or Gwali wina here. Ijen or Robe ya him weki. Ere ya we. We was a we both we we reva. Papa not dead. Papa die. Have your boy wa here. Not be born there. They tell you they don't the children tell you they don't get they don't get Papa. Excuse me, my lady. My sister. Not be so, I beg. I get cousin like that, we still get children like that. She enter Europe. Because of these children that she enter Europe. Eli biawe la lawa. Or lawa neve ya. Guess what? If they take care of the wella. Other via like we bona. Oma biove they see ma. If they see ma where they date and where they like her when one marry her. The men said that they call the man when one man they call us, they beg us, say, I beg, they love this your sister. May marry. Now my sister say, I beg, if you never bring your children, not you marry. That's what I tell the man, say, if I not bring my children, my 5 children, call, you marry. True, don't bring a call now. Guess what? And another they plan marriage now. After marriage, maybe if you like, you come born one for the man. That's what they do on my sister. Please. Pity for the children. If you don't want pity for your children, at least still get the fear of God. Fear God. Say, no, what you do so not good. If now your mama come to Europe, they leave you like that for Nigeria, you go happy. You they pray for your mama. Talk through me devil shit. As your mama take ball of una, so all of una they Nigeria like that, they suffer. They come show a picture like that, say, all the seafood they chop. Now we are not they sleep. Now gaga place. No better place. At the end of the day, una mama dey Europe, they where go for this small they give una. You not going give una. He said, no, na Papa they take care of una. You know fit. Will you be happy? Will you pray for that your mother? Will you? Talk to me devil shit. Huh? Now Piki be everything. Omo igiogbe. Now Piki be everything. Yes. If you don't hold that one, now Piki now your children. Omo have a woo now your children. Okay, I'm okay where. For that reason, feel for them. Take care of them, my sister. Not be so. Don't let social media life and because of the life you are living in Jamie, just cover your eyes away from your children. You don't fair boy your first fruits. 5 of them. No. I don't say me not take care of the one we did here. See they take care of that one we see in Nigeria. Normally it's supposed to be half 50-50. If they give you money, 50% will go to those people's hand. 50 go there here with you. Sorry guys, you understand? And so you're 40 do Yahweh Emma. So many people don't talk about the video, they don't talk many things. Me, I don't want to much talk many things. When it concern me, now me just they talk so. You be my sister, it concern me, my dear. All of us they do the social media small. It concern me. Because if you see people matter, you also talk put. I know they curse you now, I know they insult you. If you like, you come and the insult, and your body the insult go. By the grace of God, me na fire. Touch not my anointed ones and do my prophet no harm. I know they curse you now. You don't hear say I curse you. I say, Mona, make peace you and your sister. Finish. Then advise you, say, I beg, me get children too. See, go take care of that your children. Now I make example, say, one way me see if I get, when not there with me for this Jamie, I go bring her come there, give her paper. See, do the same thing. Do the same. I don't rest. I can take care of her. And people consider me, they take care of her. I not rest in I computer say must come to this Jamie where I did. You know? A long story, but I thank God say at least she not the country where be say she go dey hungry. She dey go school now, she dey okay. Try it and do it for your children too. You not regret her. If you do and God will see bless you by doing it, by removing your children out of that country, Nigeria, where be say hungry, one keep person, stress, problem here and there. Now my country, I'm saying that yeah, country, but the whole thing, the way people say they talk and say things not the cost to or my easy a guy be. Remove your children from there. Give them better life. So now I want you to talk and reach my people. Thank you guys. Please share the video. Make sure hear and make sure see. Maybe she'll still collect 1 point from inside what I talk. I don't insult anybody. I'm just trying to give a point. You both should make peace together, you and your sister. Secondly, try to take off your children. I beg, my sister, take care of them. Try to even bring them to Europe, not leave them for Nigeria. They are beg. Their condition not good. Really. The way they show them, they be like beggar. I beg. Feel for them. If you don't want to feel for them, feel for God Almighty. You hear? So bye-bye, my people. God bless you all. Please try to comment and share the video. And like the video. And press the notification button, follow. So that you'll be notified whenever I'm online. Thank you. Bye.